DEBLOAT AI facial asymmetry. Balance your facial anatomy. Scan, analyze DEBLOAT. DEBLOATing plans designed just for you. Track your progress. Keep track of your scores. Daily routines that work. Stay motivated. Build streaks. So upload a photo of your face and answer a few questions. Access your bloating analysis and improvement routine. Discover personalized insights with your custom bloating routine. So AI Scan explains asymmetry and bloating instantly. Personalized routines track progress with before after photos, quick sessions to balance and depuff fast. So that's kind of the app from Abstract Technology. And then you can see this is, I'm just showing you the just as an example. There is some discount. And then, yeah, you can just proceed. It's quite a lot onboarding for this app. Yeah, it's a lot of onboarding in here. And then finally, you see $10 per week, 20 per year, 60 per year, 2 different plans. And then, yes, there is no free trial in here, as you can see. Yeah, at least I think, yeah, you're upgrading already. Yes, there is 3-day free trial. I couldn't read it. But yeah, and then that's it. What do you think, guys, of this app? Just the onboarding. If you wanna, I can upgrade and show you the full experience. Leave the suggestion in the comments. But yeah,